Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and I wanted to take a moment to unbox the Master Lock. Now this right here, as you can see, is it's set your own combination. It's TSA accepted, and if you look on the bottom, you'll see it says TSA, and apparently the TSA people, you know, the people in the airport that frisk you, apparently they have some sort of key where they can open this so they don't have to have your combination. Now, why would you want to put a lock on your luggage? Well, when you're traveling on an airplane, it's a good idea to keep it on there in case the case happened to pop open. You probably wouldn't lose the contents within. And then also, it's just good peace of mind when you're waiting on your bag in the line, and you want to make sure somebody doesn't like open your case and try to get your stuff, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this here, because this is an unboxing video. I'll do another video where I demonstrate installing this. I'm going to install it on a, I've got a case, and you can check out my other video. It's called a Vault, V-A-U-L-T case. It's a waterproof carrying case. And I'm going to put this on that. Just a really good looking lock. Look at that. Master Lock. If you're not familiar with Master Lock, they've been making locks for quite a long time. It's got some instructions here. Let's see what we get on that. It just tells you about the TSA baggage screeners. It says, Transportation Security Administration TSA baggage screeners are trained to recognize the Travel Sentry logo on TSA-accepted locks. They have access to a secured set of codes and tools which allow them to open, inspect, and relock baggage which is locked with TSA-accepted lock. And it says, your new lock is preset at the factory to unlock at 000. And it says, carefully follow each step to ensure proper settings. So this is just an unboxing video. I'm not, well, why not? I'll go ahead and do it. It says adjust dials so the preset factory combination of 000 appears clearly. Very good feel to this, by the way. When you turn it, just feels nice. Okay, so I got 000. Pull shackle straight up and rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Firmly press shackle down into body. Lock and rotate it. Okay, now I'm going to set my combination, which is going to be pretty dumb. It'll just be 999. Oh, I see. It's got a little hole right there. Aha. Oh, combinations on the side. I was looking at the front. Duh. I feel stupid. You know what? I may just keep the combination 000. Why not? If somebody wants my stuff bad enough, they can grab my suitcase. Anyway, there you go. This is the Master Lock, and you can check the video description for an online order link. Again, it's a TSA approved Master Lock. Y'all have a good day.